Will Judge Simmons allow him back in his home? Sit back and just get started.
Can you unmute so I can know your name?
Can you hear me?
Yes. What's your name?
My name is Billy King.
Okay. Billy King. Do you know what your attorney's name is?
Just 1 second. His name is Jacobs.
Jacob Raleigh.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sounds good.
What?
Hey, how are you doing?
Mr. Raleigh's client is here night. Is it night?
Person, I thought she was his handle.
Oh, I'm sorry, not Night. It was King, Billy King.
Okay, I'll let him know.
Did you tell Mr. Roberts on that? Your Honor, for Mr. Deshaun Roberts, I just signed and submitted a volley to Patty.
On the record, in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Deshaun Roberts, 25-00160, counsel appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. Matt Nagel for the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Public Defender Lauren Sutter on behalf of Mr. Roberts, who joins us via Zoom.
Okay, Mr. Roberts, this matter was scheduled today for pretrial. This is for stolen property, receiving and concealing less than 200. A subsequent offense, and the people are moving to dismiss without prejudice. That's correct.
That's correct, Your Honor. Looking at the file, it looks like the people would be unable to support our burden if this were to proceed to a jury trial. So therefore, at this time, the people would make a motion to dismiss.
No objection.
Motion to dismiss is granted. So you'll get a copy of this dismissal in the mail. Okay, sir?
Okay, thank you very much, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions?
Nope.
Okay, you're all set. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
I don't know what the problem. Just went to this screen from the courtroom. I don't know if it's still playing the courtroom or not, but
On the record, in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Billy King, 25-00140, appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Matt Nagel for the people.
Jacob Raleigh on behalf of Mr. King.
Mr. King has a pretrial for child abuse 4th degree. Was there an offer on this?
There's no offer at this time, Your Honor. I think it would be prudent to leave this, to have this set for a final pretrial and jury trial.
Let's see here. How old is the alleged child?
Neither, I believe.
Okay.
What do you think?
Final pretrial March 3rd at 8 a.m.
Final pretrial, March 3rd, 8 AM. You gotta appear in person.
Okay,
Jury trial, April 7th, 8 AM. Jury trial, April 7th, 8 AM in person at the court. Do you have any questions at this time, sir?
yes, ma'am.
What's the question?
This has been a very hard thing to deal with my family, and I have not been able to be home. It's been problems since I have not been home. I've been following everything that was told to me to not to be around my son, and it's my wife had to quit her job, and I have not been able to been at home. And this is something that's never happened. I mean,
What's the question for the court, though?
I want to be able to come home. I don't know. It said that I can't come home. Is there any way that we can lift the I don't know, it's the protection
No,
or
there's no contact order?
yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Because I mean,
okay, let me figure out what's going on, because I did not arraign you. I do not, this is my first time ever seeing this file in my life, so I don't know. And there's not even an affidavit of probable cause in here, so I couldn't ascertain much about the allegations.
yes.
Is he married to the mother of the child?
Excuse me, I couldn't hear you.
Okay, you're married. I was asking your attorney if you're married to the mother of the child.
No, we've been together for 16 years.
You're not married, but you've been in a relationship for 16 years. And
Yes, ma'am.
residing with each other for 16
Yes.
years. And the alleged victim is his child.
Yes, it's my third.
Is there CPS involvement at all?
The CPS, the CHM, the MH. I'm sorry, but CMH and everybody is involved in everything.
I think the child in question is somewhat troubled child who has been working with CMH and other services.
Is there a protection order from the family court? That's what I'm asking.
I don't believe there is.
No,
At least
no, there's not. It's just one incident.
Okay, let me stop you, because I don't want you to say anything on the record that could be used against you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I recognize this is one charge, so I understand that. However, what I'm gathering, and again, I'm operating with limited facts, is this issue that involves a teenager, troublesome, community mental health is involved, allegations of some physical contact, correct?
Yes.
Okay, and so, where is the, so we're sending for final pretrial to see if there's going to be an offer. Okay, I think I would need to have some communication with the mother of the child. I don't know what the conditions in the home are, and if there's no protective order from the family court, then I'll allow him to return home with peaceful contact. I don't necessarily need the mother or the person to contact me. I think the attorneys can flesh that out as long as she's not objecting to it.
I think, looking over the police report, I think I'd prefer to speak to the victim before.
I'm allowing you all to flesh that out.
Oh, Roger.
Yeah.
Thank you, Your Honor.
That's why I said I don't need to have it on her in the record. I'll let you all deal with that. And then if there's no issue, and then I don't have a problem amending it, but you all need to flesh that out first.
We'll do that. Thank you, Your Honor. Sorry, I was reading and listening at the same time.
No worries. Mr. King, your attorney and the prosecutor is going to look into that and see if I can amend the order safely to allow you to return into the home pending this matter, okay?
Thank you. Could you tell me, is there
Can I tell
any,
you what?
like, I was just trying to figure out, because this has been a long 20 days or 30 days, whatever it's been, without being at home. I was just trying to figure out, is there a certain time limit, or, because I will call like in like 5 minutes and try to figure it out, because it's been a problem without me being at home.
You said you would call in 5 minutes. That's wonderful because you probably are available in 5 minutes. But I can't tell you when the prosecutor and the public defender will be available because they're in court right now dealing with other matters, and they are the ones who need to make the call.
Okay. Should I
So
have?
I can't give you a time limit. You stay in contact with your attorney. You have Mr. Raleigh's contact information?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you stay in contact with him, and then when he's out of court today, and he has to be back here this afternoon as well, by the way. But when he's available, he'll make that call and then get with the prosecutor's office so that they can flush this out to make sure that the court is advised as to how to properly proceed. Because in this particular case, the concern that the court has to balance is the safety of the victim. Okay, not the
Yes,
fact
ma'am.
that your wife doesn't have a job or that it's been rough on you during this time. The court has to balance the safety of the victim. Okay?
Okay. Before I just want to know, is there, this whole thing this incident is over me trying to get some help for my son.
Stop.
He is,
Let's not
and
talk
I've
about
been,
that right.
I've been talking to everybody that I can. Okay, I apologize. All right. Thank you very much. And
He's
I'll
just trying to keep you from saying anything that could be used against you because we're on the record and the prosecutor can hear everything you're saying. And everything
Okay.
you say, they can use against you.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you. So allow them to work this out and hopefully it's worked out in your favor, but we don't know.